What's good, YouTube? Hopefully you guys enjoyed the weekend. Had a good week last week and enjoyed Mother's Day, stuff like that. We are back with another recap today. I did take a small loss, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull up the journal real quick. I'll be using this more. I do write down all my trades on paper, but this is pretty useful to just like have it in one place while I'm on my computer. So I did take a long today. As I said, we did take a loss. Same things I usually look for: displacement, right gap, order block, and we were team bullish, I would say. This was the execution here. I took it here on this candle. You see this dude displaced higher off of the retrace into this right gap order block, which was also a higher time frame for right gap and order block, with this being a 5-minute gap that we inverse. So there were confluences. It was inversion, fair value gap, order block, and SMT. Yeah, we did have SMT with YM at these lows. But in my notes, ES and YM were pushing higher. We initially went higher at 9:30. There was no real sweep of any liquidity, which was what I was looking for. So let me see if I can find it here. Yep, I marked out this range from Asia to London, pretty much. I mean, Asia made the high and low of the day. It kind of just held London chopped. So what I wanted to see was either side of the range get taken. Ideally, we drop down, take this out into a 4-hour gap. This is what I marked out here. Down on open, take this out, give all this liquidity into the gap. Then we make our push up to the opposing side of the range, which would be all-time highs. And then we continue going higher, or we just consolidate like we did after we took out the side. So in an ideal world, I should have waited for this to get taken out, and if this didn't get taken out, then I wouldn't have a trade. But I didn't mind the setup after we had taken this out and still showed bullish signs of making a higher push. And YM did sweep out one of these lows. It wasn't a session low. Well, it was London low, not Asia. So we swept out London on YM, which was another added confluence to that trade. Like I said earlier, the 15-minute looks like complete garbage. Expansion with expansion with expansion with expansion with expansion. I mean, there's quite literally nothing in here, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. This is pretty ace. We do zoom back out to my setup on D1. That's it. We displace higher. 1-minute order block here. This is also a 5-minute gap, I think. Down lower, made a lower high, kind of relative equal highs here for some liquidity. We did tap straight back into this, like I said, in this gap. We made a 5-minute bearish gap in this area, pushed immediately back up inside of the range. CSD here. Our market shift would have been here, but I did get it a little bit before that. With this candle here, stop was around 100 ticks. Around 100 ticks for a 1 to 3 at slightly above this high right here, because ES was pushing higher through all-time highs. So I thought we would continue going higher, but we did take out this high and then kind of literally immediately dumped down, and I got stopped out here. In all reality, I don't mind this trade at all, but it could have been avoided if I had just not gonna trade until the liquidity was so below, like I wanted to see. Other than that, I don't really mind this loss. That's really it for the day. We sold off hard. Could have caught something here. As we did have had some T up here, or you could have taken it back up after we swept this up. Our displacement here, change it to delivery, take it to this high. This was pretty much shop. But yeah, that's it. See you on the next recap. Peace.